Why not gotta tell you 3 or 4 times? It's what aggravates me about this. Hey, how you doing? Oh me. What are we doing? Oh, you are watching Blue Bike and Doors channel, the TBB and D channel, or Doyle. It's TBB and D Doyle channel. Yeah. Anyway, let's go to a bike festival. No, bacon. This is too many B's. Bacon festival and car show. Roll that intro. Boot scoop who weeble wobble hopper. Hey, y'all watching Blue Bike and Doors channel? Hey, ooh, I might have should have got my leather. It is May the 2nd, and it is 56 degrees. Sun's out, guns out, and well, sun's out, the bike's out. Can't say that every time either, because sometimes I just don't feel like riding. Well, we are headed up to Cave Springs, Georgia, with a detour through Cedartown, Georgia, to stop at the P.O. box and just double check stuff. Make sure I ain't got no postcard from Dream Big Productions. I already got some. I'm not doing mail calls, but like every other 2 weeks maybe, just cause I want. That's the way I'm doing it. Cause I said so. A lot of kids never heard. Mom, because I said so. My mama, don't ask why. Anyway, get that. Watch all this loose gravel on the road. It is May the 2nd, and it is 58.1 degrees. Can you believe that? Can you believe this? Mother Nature is on crack. She's bipolar this year. Well, actually, El Nino. Maybe have a super El Nino. GoPro. Oh, you are. I didn't hear you beep. Hey, your mama and them. Maybe one day we'll take the PS10 up to more gravel. PS10 up to a car show, cruise in something. Probably not. I'm never gonna finish it. Remember, your project won't work if you don't. Sitting on your ass won't finish your projects. All these big time motorvloggers with all this time in garages and stuff, they tell you how to finish your projects and why you do this and why you do that. I'm probably sitting here too long to get run over.
The road calls his name. Door fires a blue seal riding just the same, with her 3 wheels rolling right behind through the winding roads, chasing good times. Old hands barking, ready to ride, leather and chrome, freedom by his side. Southern cruisers burning daylight, riders too. Wherever the rubber meets the road, he'll see it through. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right. Just a man in his Harley chasing daylight. Oh, behind the house, he's got a shed full of dreams. Hobo freight treasure stacked up to extremes. Tinkering and cussing, making something new. A little bit of mischief, a whole lot of blue. Both the bridle, hear the seal roar. One more mile, then 1,000 more. A life well ridden, a road well known. On that blue bike, he's never alone. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right. Just a man at his Harley chasing daylight. Twist the throttle, hear the seal roar. One more mile.
Alright, we coming into Cave Springs, Georgia. Look at all the traffic. You probably can't tell, but that's traffic. Oh, me. Oh, look at that. That's a Catalina, ain't it? Some kind of Dodge Charger looking thingy. Guess he figured he ain't going in the car show, trying to figure out how to get in there. People parking way down here. Woo. parking on the sidewalk, in people's driveway and everywhere else. What if they got the park closed? Somebody's driveway there. There's some biker boys and girls. I think that was a woman. Hey, going. Right there's one. Damn, did you see that car? Went down the embankment. I was gonna turn around and park right there. I think I see where I'm gonna park. He's just gotta get turned around. Told you I was gonna park here. Alright, let's go see. I don't think you got to pay to get in the car show part, just to walk around. Oh. Alright. Yeah. Some people don't have armband, they just walked in.
Yes, it's at the Davis Pavilion. It's only the first 100 people get to take. And we will announce those winners around 2:30 along with our show winners.
Yes, I am.
Film me.
Yeah.
I can't believe I'm gonna be in the show.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what most people do now, is they get that. well, I got $2,000. Okay, well, and I would take that. Well, I got 1,500. Take that. I got 1,000. So we had just stacks of envelopes. And I knew
I like this.
Thank you.
I need one of those.
They sure do.
That's one of my newest scents. Yeah.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Bacon festival without no bacon. Oh, I'm recording. Anyway, we're leaving. Oh, hey, that big old dog in that. El doggo. Whew. Pretty neat. Well, cowboy ain't gonna be nice for you. Wouldn't stop. As a-holes. People nowadays just ain't courteous anymore. Anyway, damn, you gonna run me off the road? People know how to park, damn. It's because I'm on a motorcycle, they think they can share my lane with me. Anyway, I'm going to the house. I got me some pickled eggs and some pickled onions. We'll see how them sweet pickled onions are. They said they'd be good. Say, there go old truck. So, if you would, you can go check out if you want to see some more. I don't know, I ain't got much car show. Anyway, go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. A bacon festival without no bacon.